Hello, everyone. In this video, we will show how to delete integration logs using SKYVVA DoMaintenance Scheduler. The DoMaintenance Scheduler is a global utility found in the Scheduler tab, designed to keep your data storage clean. It automatically removes old logs to maintain peak system performance. You must activate and run this scheduler to enable data cleansing activities. In SKYVVA, a single DoMaintenance instance handles the cleanup for all integrations. As you know, the DoMaintenance Scheduler is essential for managing your system storage. In our previous video, we demonstrated how to use it to clean up integration messages. In this session, we will show you how to use the same DoMaintenance Scheduler specifically to delete old logs and optimize your environment. There are two ways to locate the DoMaintenance Scheduler. Global Scheduler tab. Navigate to the Scheduler tab and scroll down to the Others section. Integration-specific tab. Navigate to the individual integration page and select the Local Scheduler tab. Now, let's start. Select the specific integration record you wish to clean up. First, let's filter the log records before setting up the scheduler. Navigate to the Logs tab, where you will find three sections: Filter Log, Log, and Process Logs attachments. Note that the final section is specifically for users of older SKYVVA versions. Click the Search button to view the log records. Here are the logs for this integration. There are 2015 records, which include a mix of info, warning, and error statuses. In the Filter section, you can narrow the results by interface group, interface, and other criteria as shown on the screen. While you can manually delete these records using the button provided, it is more efficient to automate the process. Therefore, the best option is to configure the DoMaintenance Scheduler to handle the cleanup for you. Navigate to Integration Details and click Edit. Scroll down to the Log and Trace Level section to configure the following. Delete logs. Enable this checkbox to authorize the DoMaintenance Scheduler to purge logs for this integration. Delete log files. Specifically targets the deletion of process logs, attachments. Log and trace level. While this field defines the detail level of logs captured during processing, it is used for log creation and is not part of the deletion configuration. Log levels to delete. Specifies which log categories, info, error, warning, should be removed. Please note that there is no default status assigned. If no status is selected, no logs will be deleted. Ensure you select at least one status to enable the cleanup. Number of days to keep logs and log files. Sets the retention period. Any records older than this value will be deleted. Once the configuration, click Save the integration. The DoMaintenance Scheduler is a versatile tool. It manages the cleanup of not only logs but also message and history baskets. Navigate to the Scheduler tab and configure the execution time based on your requirements. You can setting every minute or run at. Then click Start DoMaintenance Scheduler. After started the scheduler, as shown on the screen, we have included key columns such as submitted time, started time, and next scheduler run to help you monitor the process easily. To monitor the execution, navigate to Setup, search for Apex Jobs, and select it to observe the scheduler's progress. Once the SKYVVA_DoMaintenance job completes based on your configuration, it will automatically clear from the active queue. After the process finishes, the log database will be successfully cleaned. The DoMaintenance Scheduler checks all integrations for cleanup. However, if an integration is not configured for cleaning, no data will be deleted. The scheduler rotates through the integrations one by one. For example, if an org has 3 integrations and only integration 2 is configured for cleaning, first execution checks integration 1 cleanup. False. no action taken. Second execution, checks integration 2, cleanup, true, deletes data. Third execution, checks integration 3, cleanup, false, no action taken. Fourth execution, returns to integration 1 and repeats the cycle. Then go to the integration page, click on the Log tab, and click the Search button. As you can see, round 1 of the scheduler has successfully deleted logs from the integration. Note that, by default, the cleanup process is configured to delete 1,000 records per execution. A few minutes later, after the scheduler has completed 3 execution cycles for that integration, the logs will be cleared. Finally, in this video, we have demonstrated how to clean up logs using the DoMaintenance scheduler. By automating this deletion job, you can significantly reduce data storage usage within your Salesforce org and maintain optimal system performance. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.